You know that only 19% people wash their hands properly. Lack of hand washing is a major cause of spread of diseases like diarrhea. So, let us all know how to wash our hands properly and maintain hygiene by watching this video prepared by a dedicated team of Interact Club of ML Khanna Devi Public School Dwarka. So let us see.
Thanks to one and all present here. Sanitation and hygiene are very important in today's life, and that's the reason we have taken this initiative today. So today I, Swagat Kumar Panda, a member of Interact Club of ML Khanna Devi Public School Dwarka, along with my friends, I am going to demonstrate the proper steps of hand washing. So here we go. First of all, we are going to take liquid hand wash and we are going to rub our palms.
Rub your hands by interlocking your fingers.
Step 3. Wash the back of your fingers and palms.
Step 4. Interlock your fingers and rub the back of your fingers of both hands.
Proceeding on with step number 5, rub your fingertips on palms of both of your hands.
Step 6. Rub the space between your thumb and your index finger and then rub your thumb as well. Repeat the same procedure with your other hand.
And the last step is rub both the wrists in rotating manner. And then wash your hands.
Washing our hands helps others as well as our environment. It's important because very often we touch our nose, face and mouth, and that's the best way to get an illness. Washing our hands can even help us to save money because it's less expensive than a hospital stay or a doctor's visit. Bacteria can get us ill and may even prove to be fatal. So why not avoid the avoidable and wash our hands?
Washing hands is the best way to stop germs from spread. Washing hands properly with soap and water can stave off illness that can affect healthy as well as those with weak immune system. Hand wash can save you from COVID-19, pneumonia, diarrhea and many such diseases. In many conditions, this can be fatal to old people, children and infants. Even if you are not sick, you can be a carrier of these germs to them. So wash hands and be safe.
Stop. First go and wash your hands. They are so dirty. Go. People frequently touch their eyes, nose and mouth without even realizing it. This way, germs can get into the body through the eyes, nose and mouth and make us sick. Washing your hands before eating is a simple and effective method for infection prevention. When you eat without washing your hands, the bacteria and germs that are left on your fingers and palms can be transferred to the inside of your mouth. This can cause illnesses and infection.
A friendly reminder that washing your hands for 20 seconds does not mean you need to have the tap running for 20 seconds. Water conservation simply means the practice of using water in a judicious way to reduce unnecessary water wastage and conserve it to meet the future demands. We all are very much aware that we are the ones responsible for such a situation. In the midst of one global crisis, let's not worsen another and do our best to conserve water.
Let's take a pledge that
As a responsible and aware citizen of my country, I pledge to utilize and conserve each and every drop of water in my daily regime.
I pledge to assure that no water is being wasted nearby my surroundings by any means.
I pledge to maintain good personal hygiene by washing my hands regularly in order to contribute towards a healthier and happier society.
Finally, I pledge to implement these actions on myself, and I will actuate, educate and sensitize others in my society to do the same, with the belief that small actions on my behalf can bring a big change in the community.